Our lowest rates are always at bestwestern.com.
What's better than 5,000?
Oh no freaking way. That's a wall cloud, I think. This, see that.
Introducing Doggy Dashes. Because 4 out of 5 dogs under the age of 3 develop gum disease, and taught to build up is a contributing factor. Or, moved down to Sex Fresh, clinically proven to fight tartar, and now it's to fight dog breath, too.
This is Michelle. There's a long day setting up the news starts with arthritis pain and a choice. Take Tylenol or take a leave. Remember,
This is going to be on top of us soon.
just do a leave to keep pain away all day. Back to the news.
Last season was the Gulf's best tourism season in years. In Florida, we had more suntans.
In Alabama, we had more beautiful blooms. In Mississippi, we had more good times.
In Louisiana, we had more fun on the water. Last season, we broke all kinds of records on the Gulf.
This year, we're out to do even better.
And now is a great time to start. Our beaches are even more relaxing. The fishing squid.
Oh my god!
Spot on the Gulf. Come on down.
Brought to you by BP and all of us at
I am shaking right now.
I've discovered gold. The gold standard in anti-aging. Rock Retinol. Found in Rock Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream. It's clinically proven to give 10 years back to the look of skin. Now, for maximum results, the power of Rock Retinol is intensified with the serum to create retinol correction max. It's proven to be 4 times better at smoothing lines and deep wrinkles than professional treatments. New Rock Retinol Correction Max. Nothing's better than
Is this really coming towards us?
Ziploc presents Ziplogic. We throw out over $500 in food every year. Help save more with Ziploc freezer bags featuring Smart Zip. Edge-to-edge protection you can hear.
No.
Get Ziploc.
No.
The Weather Channel wants to help you own the day. Whether you wake up with Al at 6,
this is big time.
or your weather today at 7,
We have a new look, we have a new show, a lot of fun stuff.
it's always your local weather.
You have to believe there's going to be delays.
Top headlines
I think that's one of the points.
and headliners.
That's what it's all about.
The Weather Channel, weekday mornings 6 to 9. Wake up and own the day.
Severe weather is at its worst. Weather.com is at its best.
Yeah, I should get inside.
Advisory and a severe thunderstorm watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently in our area, 92 degrees under cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar.
This is crazy.
Today, variable clouds with scattered strong thunderstorms. Storms may produce large hail and strong winds. High 92. For tonight, showers and scattered thunderstorms.
The atmosphere very juicy. If you can walk around town, you can almost smell the rain. We're starting to see a few more clouds in the sky also. So when things get a little more threatening, we'll be taking cover. We're right under a big old oak tree, and that's not the place you want to be during a lightning storm. No question there. I can offer you a little bit of good news. Even though we have the big travel delays, even though this evening is going to get messy with storms moving in, it is oppressive at the moment. Tomorrow, it'll start to cool down, getting closer to average. After that, we're in the 80s. All right, so we've got a couple of rough days here. Now, 7 100-degree days for the month, and after the month of summer, I should say. And then we're going to see a little bit of a change. So we'll be able to get a break. If you can turn the air conditioners on for a couple of days, and certainly we deserve that. Air conditioners down. Not before the storms, not before the heat lasts.
Okay, it's getting windy.
So everyone take it easy. Call in at the airport. It's getting worse. Not better.
All right, Eric, it's been Sunday, 4
Yes. Crazy.
now on the homepage of weather.com, well, we've got the main stories all about these storms. If you want to zoom in below that picture, it says breaking photos and tweets. And we're sharing some of the most impressive photos. I mean, check this one out. Coming to us from Jamie Zazula from Boston. She said the view from 53 states. And you can obviously see the city, that storm approaching, a lightning strike in the distance, a very impressive photo. I want to bring your attention towards Pennsylvania. Emily Ginocchetti said this one using Instagram. This is the
It's on top of us.
Now, it started out with this heavy rain, and people that were in attendance started making a makeshift mudslide. But we do have some severe weather moving in as well. Here, you can see now we're getting pictures of lightning strikes from the man's warp core. So hopefully all those people are seeking shelter in whatever form we can. It's always difficult with those big outdoor events. We've got this one, a quick pic from Music Plaza.
It's raining.
From happy skies, and you can see our trees moving in the breeze, but you can click that little number 3 and get into all the alerts for your area.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your area.
The days and get the hourly forecast to see when we think your best chances of those storms crashing your outdoor party will be. So don't forget, you can take the Weather Channel with you wherever you are. Ladies, back to you.
All right, thank you so much. And, you know, they may be taking some photos in the dark here pretty soon in a lot of areas. In fact, we already have numerous people that are without power. 22,000 in Massachusetts. We have 33,000 without power in Connecticut. Also, Danielle is just counting up some of the warnings. Now, we have a mixture of flash flood and severe thunderstorm warnings, but the majority, severe thunderstorm, we have 36 different warnings out there right now. And so these storms have already produced a great deal of damage.
All of these watches that you see featured on your screen, these are in effect until either 8 o'clock Central or 9 o'clock Eastern for you. Clearly still very active, especially into the Northeast. Look at all of that activity just to the south of the Boston metro area.
That's right. You know, you see here too the smaller boxes here. These are where we have severe thunderstorm warnings. These storms definitely capable of producing some very strong winds, 60, 70 miles per hour. And we also have had some reports of hail. Notice here too in New York, you've got a lot more action coming at you. Unfortunately, just lots of folks are probably going to be getting in their cars trying to head home soon. This may be one where you might want to advise them to wait it out, wait for these storms to pass.
Always good advice. And one of the local storm reports I was reading, Heather, was 90 miles an hour. So it really is going to be some incredible numbers out there. We're advising everyone to use lots of caution before venturing outdoors.
And you know, folks, we've had so many trees down too, and they want to avoid traveling in some of those wooded areas. We'll be back. We've got much more to come.
We, the people, will take our vacation cakes.
We will wear sarongs and look so right.
We will turn the poor boy into a poor man.
From low prices to cutting-edge mobile tools, the perfect trip begins on Lowe's. Take vacation back.
Medical expenses? I looked at my options. Then I got a Medicare supplement insurance plan.
You may know it only covers about 80% of your Part B medical expenses. The rest is up to you. Call now and find out about an AARP Medicare supplement insurance plan insured by United Healthcare Insurance Company. Like all standardized Medicare supplement plans, it helps pick up some of what Medicare doesn't pay and could save you thousands in out-of-pocket costs.
To me, relationships matter. I've been with my doctor for 12 years. Now I know I'll be able to stick with him.
With these types of plans, you'll be able to visit any doctor or hospital that accepts Medicare patients. Plus, there are no networks, and you never need a referral to see a specialist. So don't wait. Call now and request this free decision guide to help you better understand Medicare and which AARP Medicare supplement plan might be best for you. There's a wide range to choose from.
We love to travel, and there's so much more to see. So we found a plan that can travel with us anywhere in the country.
Join the millions of people who have already enrolled in the only Medicare supplement insurance plans endorsed by AARP, an organization serving the needs of people 50 and over for generations. Remember, all Medicare supplement insurance plans help cover what Medicare doesn't pay and could save you thousands a year in out-of-pocket costs. Call now to request your free decision guide and learn more about the kinds of plans that will be here for you now and down the road.
I have a lifetime of experience, so I know how important that is.
Here it comes. Be soaked here. I have never experienced a storm this good.